Let's talk about vacation. How to take them effectively for salespeople so we do not lose a lot of our business because actually we're like entrepreneurs. If we stop working, money stop flowing to us. Deals are not closing, so we're not getting the commission. And there's actually a framework how to get your vacation dialed in and make sure that you do not lose too much having time off. So first step is making sure that you're very clear on the time for the vacation with your boss. So please align on that at least 3 months before you want to take a vacation. So if you plan a vacation in June, talk about the vacation time with your boss in March, for example. So they can plan, you can plan the time when you're going to be off, who's going to be replacing you, who's going to take the handover deals from you or something like that. Second step is make sure that when you go on the vacation, you actually spend the time doing the vacation. You do not work because you want to do as much context shifting as possible. This is important because your mental state, your psychology needs to relax a little bit. And in order for you to feel that you're actually relaxing and you're doing something different than work, you do not need to check Gmail, you do not need to check Telegram, you do not to check in on your deals because this will create friction and in reality you won't really feel any difference. So you want to come as fresh as possible to your workplace and smash it with a new energy. That's why you need to do the as much context shifting as possible. Do some active sports or just lay down and do whatever you want, but don't work. And then the third and the last step is make sure that when you come back from the vacation, do not jump straight into the work. For example, right now I just came back home from the vacation, but I'm not starting my work for the next 5 days. I still have some time to sit back, relax, sleep, do whatever I want. And I have this transition period from the moment when I was skiing to the moment when I'm gonna go working. So it's not very, because look, it's gonna be damaging for you if, for example, imagine in summer you come from the ocean on Sunday and the next day on Monday you already have to be sitting there and dialing in and giving out the best for you. Obviously that's not gonna happen. You're gonna spend first week just kind of going back, and then maybe you will get a slight depression because everything looks the same and you just spend so much good time having fun and playing volleyball on the beach. Be smart about it. Give yourself some time, to get relaxed, accommodate yourself, and then go smash, because that's actually what we actually need to do. You need to go and feel that you have time and you have desire and you have a moment to express yourself and the vacation and do whatever you want, and then go on the work and still continue doing whatever you want. Because if you come back to work and you're like, damn, oh my god, this work, I can't stand it, I hate this job, then you're basically wasting your time. Instead of going and finding something that will give you energy not only when you're not doing the work, but also when you're working, and then where you're showing up and where you're spending productive time, this will be basically the main thing for your success. So if you find yourself being in the position where you don't like what you do, or you like if you feel that you do not want to come back to work after the vacation, this actually means something for you. So I would advise you to think about it and maybe make some changes. We're keeping the schedule. I'm not skipping the day. Today was a close one, but still, every Tuesday, every Thursday, Web3 Sales Gym. If you're new one to this channel, subscribe, and there's a link to join the community in Telegram to network and chat with people that are like you. If you are a veteran on the channel, welcome back, and 2025 we keep smashing. See you. Bye bye.